I want to show you one other process. This board was prepared and the same mixture that I just made up was poured onto this board and it was allowed to completely dry. So what you see is this is a very hard, almost stone-like surface. It has a bit of an eggshell finish to it. What I'm going to do now is pour another mixture or recipe over the top of this and do another transfer. The board is reasonably level, which it is. The next step is to take the strainer and very carefully pour this really liquid solution over the top. Now notice that this doesn't flow off the way it would if it was a very smooth board. This board's a little bit bigger than the last pour. This one is a foot square. The other one was 9 inches square. But the same amount of mixture is just about right for either side. Okay, and then we'll pour the balance of this right into the center. All right, we're going to let this set up. It shouldn't take too long. And then I will do a transfer to this one. Set up, you can see that I can touch this and my finger does not stick. You don't want to do that on your main panel. Always do it on a part that's been spilled off. So again, we're going to check for the right and wrong side of this. The dull side has the ink on it. I'm going to roll it backwards on a tube again and line up the print with itself. This print was made a little bit larger than the panel, and this panel is 11 inches. The outside edge is 12. I'm going to just gently place that down. Again, as you unroll it, don't let it flop off because you'll get air bubbles in there. Make sure that you take the tube all the way to the end. Okay, start our timer. It'll take 3 minutes for this image to move to the surface, and then we'll take it off. The 3-minute timer is up. So we are going to remove the film, again backwards from the way it was put down. And you can see this is a beautiful transfer, absolutely flawless. I love the way these turn out. The edge of this was sloped down. Remember, we sanded that. That's why we have this beautiful, soft edge that goes all around the image. The recess that's been cut into this MDX board can act as a floater frame or as a backing after you drop a frame on the top of it. So this is ready to be hung. It's the end of the demonstration on how to build a digital Fresco panel. It's called a Fresco because it looks like white plaster when you're done. I hope you have fun with this. Try the other one first, then try one of these, then move on to the other lessons.